Good morning, welcome to Android tutorial. In this tutorial we will learn how to handle click event of radio button in Android. The following steps are used to implement this program. Step 1, open the activity1.xml file. Step 2, design the user interface. Step 3, open the activity1.java file. Step 4, declare and find all controls. Step 5, implement on check the change listener of radio button control. Let's start. First I start the Android Studio. Click on start new Android Studio project. My project name is Qt 10. Click on next. Select the API level. Click on next. Select the blank activity. Click on next. Enter the activity name. My activity name is activity 1. Click on finish. Expand the resource folder. Then move to layout and double click on activity1.xml file. Delete the default control. Click on text and change the layout from relative to linear layout and set the one more property orientation equals to vertical. Switch to design mode back. Here just drag the radio button control and set the ID property R1 and text BCA program. Add another radio button. Just click and drag. Set the ID property R2 and text property to MCA program. After this, our design is ready. We need to just test it. Therefore, I click on a start button. Select the AVD and click on OK. Unlock the screen. I select the BC program and then MC program. Here you can see both radio buttons are selected here, but in radio button we can select maximum one radio button. To resolve this problem, go to the designer file, which is activity1.xml file. Switch to text and here write the radio button group. Radio group tag. Set the layout width mesh parent and height mesh parent. Close the radio group at the end of last radio button. Set the ID property ID equals to group 1. Save the program and again run the program. Now I select BCA and then MCA. You can see here we can select maximum one radio button. Now close the designer file and open the Java file activity1.java. First arrange the code in proper order. First declare an object of radio group G1 semicolon. After declaring object we need to find it. Therefore I write G1 equals to find view by ID R dot ID dot G1, typecast it and semicolon. After finding, write the event handler code G1 dot set on check the change listener pass the parameter new on checked change listener, arrange the code properly. In this code, in this function, you can see here is a variable of integer type checked id. This variable contains the name of radio button which is selected by the user. Therefore, I put a condition here: if check id equals to r dot id dot r1, means if the user select first radio button, then I call the toast dot make text activity1 dot this, comma, second parameter BCA program BCA, and comma toast dot length long or length short, toast dot length short, and after that semicolon. Else, or you can put second condition: if checked id equals to r dot id dot r2, it means user select the second radio button. Here I put the toast message with MCA program message. Now our code is ready. First I save the program and click on start. I select the BCA program. Here you can see the message display here, BCA. Now I select MCA program. You can see the MCA message. In this tutorial you have learned how to handle radio button click event. If you like this video, subscribe to my channel, share this video on Facebook, Twitter, Blogger, or your Facebook or WhatsApp group. If you have any query, kindly contact us on the given email address or mobile number. Thank you for watching.